When life gets tough, today is going to be about two things: helping you be successful and helping you be a great leader.
Your story is just getting started.
And the good news is we got to make our way back to the room. Being a leader requires skills. Being a leader requires some actions. Being a leader requires some decisions that you have to make.
Whenever we hold back who we are, the rest of the team is missing out on the blessings and the gifts and the talents that all of you carry.
To be a great leader in life, the very first skill that we are talking about right now is communication. If you quit now, you're going to keep making excuses throughout life whenever things get challenging. But if you look at yourself in the mirror and you make a promise to yourself to go back and try your best this time, I guarantee you that not only will your life change, but you'll be surprised at what happened. For every single person who's believed in you, and even for every single person who's going to doubt you, understand this in your mind: when life gets tough,